And all the time, Mheshimiwa Dr. William Ruto na Mama Rachel Ruto, and all protocols observed, I'm here to deliver my condolences and the condolences of the Azimio fraternity who could not be here, to the family of General Ogola, to Mama Eileen, the children, and the entire family. Everything else has been said. I would only like to add, when an accident occurs, it's a security issue. The security concerns which deserve an answer for the nation. And since an inquiry has already been formed, we look forward to a speedy investigations. I salute our fallen general. Fare thee well. May God bless him and his family. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Anado wacho matin, gedoluo tomoro bro wacho gi Kisungu. Adwaro ni mondo josiaya duto mondo winj wach ma wacho ni wuoyi ma waiko kawuono ni ok en ng'ama inyalo pando. En wuoyi mathuon kendo en ruath. Emomiyo kata kineno liete mang'eny ma ji bedogo, to ok inyal neno ka ji owuok oko kaka ji owuok ni General Ogola. An adwa mitambe mokethre, onge gi marach. Onge gi marach, onge gi marach. An ing'ena be an gi mach moro kama kosim ta idhielo. Adwa wacho ni yani kawuono jomotelo ni nyasi ni gin jolweny, the military of Kenya. Adwa wacho nyime oganda ka ne utimonwa tim maber ka uko wuodwa kaka ukoni. Agonu erokamano. I wanted to say this briefly. How do we mourn our heroes? We have had many heroes. And I was so happy when Joel was speaking here and he made a wonderful speech that your father took you to Jaramogi's mausoleum. Your father took you to where Orengo is buried. And I am sure that your father wants you to be part of the history of his people. I want to say this without fear of contradiction. We have mourned many times, and that's why sometimes people mistake us. We have mourned many times, and we have mourned heroes. We mourned Arguing Skodek, we mourned Tom Mboya, we mourned Dr. Uko, we mourned Odhiambo Mbai, and today we are mourning General Ogola. I therefore plead with anybody who is here, you must allow Kenyans to mourn their heroes the way they can. When I was coming here, I followed a different route. The one from Luanda to Wagai. And the whole route was full of people waiting for this gallant son of ours. Many were waiting. I just hope that this time around, we will, with the investigations which are undergoing, will come to the final conclusion and outcome of how this happened. And I was taught in investigations. Your Excellency, I was a lead lawyer in the Uko trial. In the Uko trial, there were many investigators, international, FBI, and Scotland Yard. And the first rule in investigations is that you don't rule anything out. If you want to carry a true investigation, don't leave anything out. So we want to be assured that nothing will be left out so that the truth comes out. The truth comes out. Your Excellency the President, just like Atandi has said, when you retire and think of appointing other positions, you see what he has pointed out, that you think of somebody from this community to be in that position. And this Constitution does not say that you must vote for so and so in order to be in government. We want a government based on our Constitution, so that when these positions are open, like you did in appointing the chief, you open it to the entire Republic. Finally, as General Gula rests here, I beg you, Your Excellency, that let General Gula be buried in doubt. And the lingering doubt. And I was in Bomas of Kenya. I was there. I was not an agent, but I managed to go there. The lingering doubt is that there is this allegation